Guys, good morning. Tapos na akong maligo guys. Preparing sa pagbihis na naman natin. Kumusta kayo guys? Kumusta ang mga araw nyo? Naliligo pa ba kayo? Maligo kayo guys. Kasi pag hindi kayo maligo, lalo kayong lalamigin guys. Sure, I'm sure that. So, maligo kayo guys, okay? I'm preparing now myself because I go to work. Sulayin natin yung buhok natin guys, okay? This is my routine every day.